everyone, today we're going to learn how to play the digital trail. So this is a board game I made to help us review all the content that we learned about our digital footprints and our digital citizenship. And as you can see on this trail, there are different types of tiles. There are question mark tiles, QR tiles, and star tiles. And what you're going to do is you're going to put your token on start, and then you're going to roll the dice and you can move forward that many spaces. If you land on a question mark tile, you'll take that color tile and that question mark card, have someone else pull it out. So if you land on orange, they would pull it out and they'd ask you the question that's on here. And then if you got the right answer, you get to move forward one space. So you'll go from here to here. Now, if you land on a QR, everyone else has to get out their cell phones, and as you see, this has a 1 on it, so you'll go to the 1 and scan the 1 QR code. Then that'll take you to a 5-question Quizlet where you guys will all have to do the Quizlet, and whoever scores the highest, and if there's a tie, then everyone that scores the highest gets to move forward 3 spots. Now, on the challenge path, you have a choice when you get here to either take the challenge path or to go on the regular path. And the challenge path has harder questions, but it helps you get further faster. Now, the catch about these is if you land on this one, you have to answer the question, and if you get it wrong, you go back 2. But if you get it right, you stay still. That's why it's called the challenge path. And you play this and you go through the whole thing going by turns, and whoever gets to the finish line first wins.
Here's a quick 1-minute time lapse of 2 people playing, demonstrating how you can play and how you finish the game. Thank you.